to each and everyone who are watching right now, guys. Okay, please welcome to my video, guys, and to my channel Lolo Jerry's video, the working Lolo, guys. Okay, for those who are familiar with this, guys, please watch this in a full video, guys. Okay, this is my rhodium, guys. This rhodium is 500 grams, guys. This is a rarest and precious metal, guys, than gold, rhodium. I hate this into fire already, but it can't be heated directly, guys. I hate this in 1 hour. Okay, but the composition did not change. It was not melt directly. Okay. Okay, observe, guys. Let's focus on our specimen. Okay. Okay. Before, guys, I thought this is a meteorite, but there are some experts examine this and try to look at this personally. According to them, that this is not a meteorite, this is a rhodium, but I can't believe to them. But maybe this is a rhodium because there is a cut here. It came from one big bar of rhodium, guys. Okay, it was cut, and this is the remains of the rhodium. Okay, this rhodium is very useful to our jewelries nowadays because this is much this rhodium will last than gold, luster than gold, guys. Okay, very shiny, guys, like metal. Okay, it attracts magnets, but only initially attracts magnet, not attracts magnet 100%. Okay, for those who are interested on this metal, guys, just message me on my page or on my YouTube channel, guys. Please comment down if you are watching right now. If you are interested, this is 500 grams. Okay, this is my rhodium. This is not gold, this is rhodium. Okay, we can see here in this picture, we can focus here on the texture of this kind of a stone. Okay, or metal. Okay, because if this is an iron, guys, it will magnet, but the magnet will not stick this 100%. It only like that. Okay. Okay, not all portion of this attracts magnet. Okay, okay, here. Because rhodium and platinum do not actually attracts magnet well. It attracts only partially. Okay, rhodium. Okay, for those who are interested or watching right now, you can comment down. Okay, because if this is an ordinary metal or iron, this magnet will stick here, but it don't stick. Magnet don't stick. Okay, like this. Okay, this is a magnet, guys. It only attracts magnet initially. Yeah, okay, like that. Okay, not all portion of this specimen is magnetic. Alright guys, hey, I think that's all. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much and good evening.